gonna take 1 1/3 cups of sugar in here. And then I'm gonna take 4 eggs. All right, I'm gonna whisk this together. And I'm gonna turn my heat on like medium-low. Whisk this together until it reaches about 160 degrees. All right, it's 160. So now I'm gonna stir in the melted chocolate. All right, now that this is all mixed together, I just have to let this cool off. So it's gonna be a while, but in the meantime, I'm gonna go make the crust. All right, for the crust, you need regular Oreo, not double stuff, not mega stuff, not any extra stuff, just regular Oreo, what it specifically said. So I'm going to take 20 Oreos, put them in here, and then add 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Y'all want to know a fun fact about me? I do not like Oreos. I think Oreos are gross. Okay, I sprayed this pie pan, and now I'm gonna pour this in and form a crust. All right, now I'm gonna pop this crust into the oven at 350 for about 8 minutes, and then we will do more of the filling. I'm gonna add 1 1/3 cups of heavy cream. And I'm gonna beat this until it forms stiff peaks. All right, it's not there yet, but I'm gonna add 4 teaspoons of powdered sugar. And then we'll finish beating the cream. Okay, now I'm gonna add 10 tablespoons, that's 2, of unsalted butter to this bowl, and you wanna make sure your butter is room temperature. All right, I'm gonna beat this for 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna add the chocolate mixture from earlier. All right, now I'm gonna gradually add my cooled chocolate mixture. It's cooled to about 75 degrees. So I'm gonna add a little bit and then mix it in and just kind of keep doing that. now I'm gonna take the cream mixture that I made earlier and I'm going to fold it into the chocolate. Probably should, I'm not gonna fold it a little at a time. Nobody got time for that. Right, I folded it all in. Here is the crust. Now I'm going to dump all of this in here carefully. And then I'm gonna put it in the fridge for, you know, I won't lie, it says 6 hours. I don't have 6 hours. So I'm gonna do like 4. And then we'll make the topping for the topping for the top. But it does need to chill for, I'm gonna say at least 4 hours before we put the topping on. And I can assure you that this filling is really good. And I'm not even like a huge chocolate fan, but it's really good. Also, my mom is going to be here this week, and she asked what I got off the phone with her not that long ago, and she asked what I was doing, and I said, well, I'm making a chocolate cream pie, like a silk pie, chocolate silk pie, whatever you want to call this. And she said, oh, you're going to at least save me a piece, right? And I said, Mom, there's going to be an entire pie for you. My mom loves like chocolate pie. I think it might be her favorite. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge. It looks really nice so far. I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and then we'll make the topping in like 4 hours. All right, so this recipe says to make enough of the heavy, like the whipped cream topping to go over the entire pie, but this pie is not going to be eaten in one sitting. So I'm going to make enough topping to put on one piece of pie. And I'm going to leave the recipe in the description below, so if you want to use proper measurements, click on that. But I am not here for proper measurements right now. I'm just making some whipped cream, essentially. So I've got, I don't know, maybe a ½ cup of heavy cream. I'm going to add a dash of vanilla. Just a little. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of powdered sugar, and I'm going to whip it up. Again, the proper measurements for the entire pie will be left in the description. What? What? I was supposed to let it sit in the fridge for 6 hours, and it's only been like 4, so.
Yeah. I'm gonna try it again tomorrow.
Well, I've only got so much time for this video.
Is all?
Yeah.
Oh. I don't know.
Are you gonna share that piece?
Hmm? It's really rich. Probably the richest one I've ever had.
Too rich?
Mm-mm.
Give me a little.
Like, you can definitely taste the chocolate.
You want to see it? No? Oh. Maybe? Yeah? Oh, yeah. Talk about it while I taste this.
Oh. It's really good. It really surprises me that, like, the Oreo cream, like, kind of disappears. Since you said you didn't have to separate it.
No. Mm-hmm.
No, it's really good. Probably the best I've had. Like I said, you really taste the chocolate.
You can show them what we did Like, we decided not to put the topping on the whole pie, because I don't think the topping lasts.
Watery, and then the whole thing will be watery. So I think that's a good idea.
And it's just, well, my mom will be here, but we don't want water pie.
No, I'm sure I'll still get a little bit watery just because of how it is. Yeah.
It's really good. It's like really, really good. It's really light. I mean, I guess it would be called French silk for a reason. It is very light. I mean, like, it's rich, but like the filling is light, like a mousse.
Yeah.
What do you rate it? I don't know if I've ever had a French silk pie, to be honest.
I don't know if I ever had like a homemade one. I've had like probably the garbage ones from like Walmart or something.
Honestly, I think I rate it like a 10 out of 10. Mm-hmm. I mean, it's really good. Although it's very homemade. Minus the Oreo cookies. But that was the recipe. I don't know. I guess I could make my own Oreos. I'm choking. It's really good. Like, clearly it's really good because Jonathan would probably be licking the plate right now if he could.
That's super good.
Do you have any other words? You're left speechless. That's how good it is. Are you still full from all that pizza we had?
Mm-hmm.
Anyway.
No, it's super delicious.
That's it? It's all your words to describe it?
I mean, you already said all the words.
Do you think it was too sweet at all?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Like, you can definitely taste, like, I wouldn't say it's dark chocolate, but the dark chocolate.
I mean, it is the bittersweet. It's
Mm-hmm.
like 60%. It's, I don't know if I actually showed. It's this. That's what it is. That's the one I got.
You can definitely taste it.
Mm-hmm. It's really good. I think.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I was gonna say something about it, but clearly my brain is elsewhere.
Like, if I've ever had one, then it obviously doesn't taste that good because they don't use that good of chocolate in it.
No. I don't know if I've ever had a French silk pie. I mean, maybe the closest I've ever had. You can eat it. It's gonna either get thrown away or given to our dog.
No, I'll like one more bite.
Actually, maybe I'll have like a little sliver of pie. Maybe Marie Callender's made some sort of French silk pie. Is that? Let me Google it real quick. Y'all, you're all probably bored of our conversation.
I mean, there's watching me devour that.
Oh yeah. There's not very many people that probably make it this far.
Like
Jane made it this far.
I'm like a small child.
Jane made it this far.
But yeah, I think that's what I'm thinking of. Like, we'd have it around the holidays.
French silk pie. Yeah. All right. This is the Marie Callender's one. This is probably the only one I've ever had also.
It doesn't taste anything like...
It is this.
Oh, I see it then. Yes.
My mom used to buy it. Definitely my mom used to buy it.
Doesn't even look that good on that box.
No.
Let alone taste like that. This tastes like...
This is like light and airy and delicious. Mm-hmm. And this we would like get out of the freezer and thaw it out. But yeah, anyway, we'll wrap it up because we're really... Dang, the Cardinals are losing to the Cubs, 8-0. Sorry. Anyway, with that being said, I already told them that the next recipe is probably going to be more pies because my mom wants to make pies. So anyway, I'm going to go...
Just compared to the apple pie, I probably like the apple pie just a little bit more because you have the fruit and stuff in it and the crispness of the crispness of the apples. But this is still...
I will always prefer a fruit pie to any kind of like creamed pie.
I don't know. Like, again, I only make a Boston cream pie.
Yeah, he really wants me to find a recipe for Boston cream pie. That's gonna have to.
But like, I would take this over like maybe like a peach pie or something.
I don't know. We're gonna make a peach pie later, so I'll figure it out. But I do love fruit pies. Those are my favorite. Anyway, I think we'll probably shut it now, and we'll see people in the next video. Like, I'm dying tonight. I'm just kidding.